Hello everyone, this is Mr. Hernandez with a new lesson that I know you're gonna love. This week, we'll be creating lions. Now I ask you, how can we create a really awesome lion using lines and shapes that we already know? Well, that's what we're gonna be learning today. For this lesson, you're gonna need blank paper, pencil and eraser, a black marker to outline, but remember, if you don't have a black marker, you can always use a black crayon or a black color pencil and some coloring tools. For this lesson, I'll be using crayons, but you can always use markers or color pencils. If you feel that you're falling behind, you can always pause this video. You can keep drawing, catch up, and press play again to continue with the lesson. I hope you have all your materials ready. Let's start. Okay guys, I am ready to start. I have my pencil and eraser, my marker, and my coloring tools or my crayons. Okay, I always suggest start with pencil and eraser first, then outline, then color, okay? I want you guys to see this better, so I am going to start straight with marker, okay? So I'll put this aside. Awesome. So step one for your lion, we're gonna find the center of the paper and we are going to create center of the paper. We're going to create a triangle this way. Very, very simple. We have this triangle. Then around this triangle, we're gonna create kind of like a U shape, okay? Slowly. We have this U shape, okay? Once we have the U shape, we are going to try and add, look where we have these two ends. We're gonna try to have a curve. And look how I left some space there. Why? Because we want to create ears that are gonna look something like this. Okay. Once we do that, we can add some circles inside. Awesome. Okay. Once we do this, we're gonna add a vertical line that's gonna touch with the initial shape that we created, and then we're gonna find from this this little corner here, we're gonna add a curve down and then another curve down, and they're gonna touch again this section here, right? Once we do this, we're gonna add from the nose all the way up curve, then another curve there. It's looking nice. In here, we're gonna add two circles, then another circle, then we're gonna add a highlight, and remember that the highlights always stay white, then the rest we fill it in, because these are the eyes of the lion. And then we have the other eye. Awesome. Okay, super nice. Once we do this, we're gonna add, look at this, whiskers, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then down here, we're gonna add a curve. We're gonna add tongue over here, like he's smiling. He's a happy lion, okay? Once we have this around the head, we're gonna start working with the mane. And the mane or that big hair is gonna look like a cloud. So we're gonna have curve and then another curve. We're gonna keep moving around this, and we can do the same on the other side. All these curves. Awesome. Looks nice. Once we do this, we can add a few lines just to add details around details. Beautiful. Once we do this, let's move down to the body. Around here, around this section, we can create an kind of like an L shape, kind of like a capital L. And then over here, we can create the same thing, kind of like inverted. Okay. Once we do this, we go up, up, not all the way, and then what do? We bring them together. Okay, and then back here, we do the same, and we do the same. And look how the legs or the back legs, you see, don't go all the way down. They stay a little bit higher, so we can see that they are part of the back, okay? They're behind the front legs, all right? This is kind of like the chest area, and we're gonna add some lines to add details to the paws, okay? We're gonna add a tail with a curve. This is very simple. Curve, and then what do we do here? Like the hair, that hairy tail for the lion. And then down here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create kind of like a kind of like a stand where lions perform sometimes, and then I'm gonna add some lines to add details. Once you add all your lines and you have all your pencil work, you're gonna outline, and then we're gonna color, okay? Once we color it, it's gonna look something like this, all right? I use different colors, and my lion is just performing. It's part of the circus, okay? But you could do your lion in nature. You can add grass, you can add a sky, you can add the sun, maybe in a landscape with other animals. You can transform it and create your lion and create this environment however you want it. Maybe you don't want the mane and you want to create a lioness, okay? It is up to you how you transform and how you create your artwork, okay? So color it, have fun, and be creative, guys, all right? Once you do all this, you're gonna be completely done. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know I did. Now it's your time to clean up your area and leave it the way you found it. Remember that on the assignment page, you're gonna see other examples that you can use on your artwork. You don't necessarily have to create exactly what I did on this lesson. Remember, when you finish your lesson, take a picture of your lion and upload that picture to the assignment page on Canvas. When you open the assignment page, on the top right corner, you're gonna see a red button that says Submit Assignment. Click that button and upload your picture to the assignment page. Please do not send it to my school email, Canvas inbox, or Jupiter Ed. I am so excited to see all the artwork that you're about to submit. I miss you guys. I'll see you next week. Mwah. Love you all.